Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I discuss an important topic: Wix versus Squarespace. What is Squarespace? Squarespace is an all-in-one website builder where you can create a website without coding. It gives you templates, ready-made designs, hosting, your site lives online, tools, blog, store, contact forms. It's like Wix but more stylish and clean looking. What is Wix? Wix is a drag-and-drop website builder. No coding needed. Everything is already included: hosting, design, security. Just sign up, right pointing arrow design, right pointing arrow publish. Create website like making a PowerPoint. How Squarespace works: 1. Sign up. 2. Choose a beautiful template. 3. Add your content, text, images, videos. 4. Customize design. 5. Click publish. Your website is live. 1. You sign up and pick a template. Create an account. Choose a professional looking template, very modern and stylish. Squarespace templates are known for high quality design out of the box. 2. Edit your website, section-based editor. Unlike Wix, free drag, Squarespace uses a more structured editor. Add sections, like blocks, insert text, images, videos. Rearrange layouts neatly. You can't place anything anywhere, but your site stays clean and professional. 3. Add pages. You can easily create pages like home, about, blog, contact, store. All managed from a simple sidebar menu. 4. Built-in features. No plugins needed. Squarespace already includes most tools. Blogging system, online store, booking system, analytics, email marketing. No need to install extra plugins like WordPress. 5. Hosting and security included. Just like Wix, hosting is included. SSL security included. Fast performance. No technical setup required. 6. SEO and marketing tools. Squarespace helps with SEO settings, titles, descriptions, social media integration, email campaigns. Not as deep as WordPress, but enough for most users. 7. Publish your website. Click publish. Your site goes live instantly. How Wix works. Think of Wix like a ready-made website machine. Everything is already built, you just customize it. 1. You sign up. Go to Wix and create an account. Choose what type of site you want: blog, business, store, etc. Wix starts preparing things for you automatically. 2. Choose how you want to build. Wix gives you 2 options. Option 1. Templates, manual design. Pick a pre-designed template. You edit everything yourself. Option 2. Wix Audi, AI Builder. Answer a few questions. Wix automatically creates your website. Fastest method for beginners. 3. Drag and drop editor, main feature. This is where Wix is powerful. Add text, images, buttons. Move anything anywhere on the page. No coding needed. 4. Add pages. You can create pages like home, about, contact, blog, shop. All from the pages menu. 5. Add features, apps. Wix has an app market where you can add online store, booking system, live chat, forms. Just install and use, no setup stress. 6. Built-in hosting and security. This is important. Your website is already hosted. Security, SSL is included. No technical setup needed. That's why Wix is beginner-friendly. 7. SEO and settings. Wix helps you set website title and keywords, connect to Google, improve ranking with simple steps. 8. Publish your website. When ready, click Publish. Your website goes live instantly. Key features of Squarespace. Modern, professional designs. Mobile-friendly automatically. Built-in blogging. E-commerce. You can sell products. SEO tools. Helps Google ranking. Key features of Wix. Wix gives you everything, design plus hosting plus tools, to build a website easily without coding. Advantages of Squarespace. Very clean and premium look. Easy to use, not too technical, everything included, no need for hosting. Advantages of Wix. Wix is simple, fast, and beginner-friendly for creating websites without technical knowledge. Disadvantages of Squarespace. Less flexible than WordPress, not as easy as Wix for beginners, slightly more expensive. Disadvantages of Wix. Wix is easy to use, but it has limitations in flexibility, performance, and long-term scalability. What is the scope of Squarespace? Scope means how widely it can be used plus future opportunities. Squarespace has a strong scope, especially for individuals, small businesses, creators. But it's not for everything, I'll explain honestly. Where Squarespace is used. 1. Personal branding and portfolios. Photographers, designers, freelancers. Clean templates make your work look professional instantly. 2. Small business websites. Local shops, services, salon, gym, tuition, startups. You can create about page, services page, contact form. 3. E-commerce, online stores. Sell products, accept payments, manage orders. Not as strong as Shopify, but good for small stores. 4. Blogging and content creation. Write blogs, share articles, build audience. Competes with WordPress but less powerful. 5. Creator economy, 2026 trend. YouTubers, influencers, coaches. Use Squarespace for link in bio website, selling courses, personal brand site. What is the scope of Wix? Scope equals where you can use it plus how useful it is in future. Wix has a very strong scope for beginners and small to medium projects, especially in today's no-code world. Where Wix is used, real scope. 1. Beginners and students. First website, school, college projects, practice websites. You can build a full site in 1 to 2 hours without coding. 2. Small businesses. Shops, salons, coaching centers, freelancers. Create service pages, booking systems, contact forms. 3. Portfolio websites. Graphic designers, video editors, photographers. Drag and drop makes design super easy. 4. Basic e-commerce. Sell a few products, small online store. Good for beginners, but not as strong as Shopify. 5. Content creators, 2026 trend. YouTubers, influencers. Use Wix for bio link page, personal website, show your content. Squarespace future scope, 2026 and beyond. Squarespace is growing because more people want no-code websites. Businesses want quick online presence. Design matters more than ever. Future scope of Wix, 2026 and beyond. Wix is growing fast because no-code tools are trending. People want fast and easy websites. AI website builders are increasing. Wix even has AI tools now. Right pointing arrow builds site automatically. Scope comparison. Squarespace best for design plus simplicity. Wix best for beginners. Final verdict of Squarespace. Squarespace has good scope, especially if you want a professional-looking site fast. You're a creator or small business owner. You care about design plus simplicity. Final verdict of Wix. Wix has excellent scope for beginners. Best if you want quick website, simple business site, portfolio, learning web design. I hope this video will very helpful for all. Thank you for watching.